This compact HAVA Portable Countertop Dishwasher is genuinely convenient because it can run from its own built-in water tank or connect to a faucet, so it fits easily into small kitchens, dorms, and recreational vehicles without permanent plumbing changes. Despite its small exterior footprint, the interior layout is smartly arranged with racks and a cutlery holder that handle a full family meal's worth of dishes, including reasonably large dinner plates loaded at an angle. The 6 wash programs, including a gentler cycle, a faster option, and a high-temperature baby care setting, make it versatile enough for everything from delicate glasses to heavily soiled cookware and infant items. Spray arms with many water outlets provide thorough top and bottom coverage, so dishes come out consistently clean instead of needing a second pass or extra hand scrubbing. It uses far less water than typical hand washing and runs on modest power, which makes it appealing for anyone trying to cut utility use in a small household or off-grid setup. The built-in high-temperature baby care wash, extended warm air drying, and automatic ventilation help keep dishes hygienic, dry, and free from lingering odors between cycles.